Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to go to previous tab using keyboard. So here are the shortcuts for the Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox and most major browser on Windows. If you have a row of tabs open and want to move left to right or through them, use these commands. So this is the on-screen keyboard. So first you need to press the Ctrl key, and with along you need to press the page up key. You need to press both keys all together. So press it Ctrl and page up, and here you can see that you have been moved to the other tabs like this one. This is the moving from right to left side, and if you want to move to the left to right, then you need to press the Ctrl and page down like this one. You need to use these keys on your keyboard like this one. Another way is that you need to press the Ctrl key. This is the Ctrl key, this is the Shift key, and this is the Tab key. You need to press all these keys all together. Here you can see that. So this is pretty simple, and I hope you understand how to go to the previous tab using keyboard. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.